Hello, this is Masood. I came from Afghanistan. Uh, my mother, Mrs. Zarmina, she was suffering from ASD. Uh, uh, she had the problem of ASD, heart problem, and we went to Escorts a diagnostic clinic, Escorts Amiri in Afghanistan, Kabul, and after the test, the results show that she has ASD, and the Scots Amiri referred us to Scots Hospital, and I did some research and investigation about the Scots through internet, and I got that it's most experienced and most, number one heart institute and research in India. So we came here and we decided to go for the open surgery, and I got information about Dr. K.S. Iyer. Yep, he is very professional, very expert, and the most experienced and senior surgeon in India. I would like to thank to Dr. K.S. Iyer, Dr. Monish Tomar, Dr. Radhakrishnan, to the surgeon teams, also to other teams, also to Miss Pooja, yes, Miss Judy, and all the staff escorts. They were behaving very well. We like their behavior. They were listening to us properly, and whatever we want, they were providing us and with good care, and they were cure us and care us also. Thank you very much.